Hi, I'm Carl, and I'm going to talk to you about double glazed units, what they are, and why they go wrong and cost you loads of money. So here we have a double glazed unit in a small piece of frame. This is an example to show you of the makeup of the sealed unit. We have two panes of glass, two panes of 4mm glass there. It's separated with let's take it out of this. That's the double glazed unit, and it's separated by a aluminium tube and then sealed round with a black hot melt adhesive. In the aluminium tube it's filled with a product called desiccant. This is similar to the silicone gel you might find in your camera bags and stuff to keep things dry, which is exactly what it does in a double glazed unit. It keeps the air dry, absorbing all the moisture that was in the air when the unit was made. So here we have a full double glazed unit. It's only a small one, but with this I can demonstrate and tell you why we get problems. It has the aluminium bar all round the edge, and it's fitted into your window frames. Now the desiccant absorbs the moisture out of the air, which effectively makes the unit thinner. It sucks in. Now when that air gets warm in the middle of the day, the air expands and the gap between the two panes of glass gets bigger, therefore creating a pumping situation, and that does that every day. And this is the reason that a unit basically breaks down, because on the edge it's getting thicker and thinner every day, putting stress on this on the sealant round the edge. Yeah, so that's all very depressing news that you know your double glazed units are sooner or later going to have to be replaced. An average life of a double glazed unit glazed into a UPVC window is about, well, in excess of 10 years. Certain factors alter the length of life. For instance, if the window is south facing into the sun, this increases the pumping action of the sealed unit in the day and therefore speeds up the breaking down of the unit. Another factor that we find is when double glazed units are glazed into timber windows, and a timber window holds the edge of the unit too firm, not allowing that part of the glass to move freely, and that also breaks down the unit prematurely. A guarantee typically on a timber window is 5 years, where a guarantee on a UPVC window is 10 years. So there you have it.